Egg fried rice. How to prepare it? Just put egg, then make it scrambled. Just mix it, then scrambled. And then we will put bacon to fry. Yeah. Let's wait for the egg to cook. And then we will set aside the egg. Then the bacon, we will fry it. And we will set aside it after. Then after that, we will put some garlic and the chili, green chili, and then the plain rice. After that, mix all together the toppings, bacon, egg, and egg. And then we will mix it together with the plain rice, and we'll put some oyster sauce to make it tastier, better. Just mix it all together to make it fried, and then that's it. We prepare now the egg fried rice. Yummy egg fried rice.